Good morning, students. Today I'm going to take class 5th English Grammar, Chapter 1, The Sentence. You know very well about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense and express a thought is a sentence. There are some rules about a sentence. First one, the words in a sentence should be placed in the proper order. Then second one, a sentence always begin with a capital letter. Third one, punctuation marks like full stop, question mark or exclamation mark must be put at the end of a sentence. Here I have given you some examples. First one, the kitten closed its eyes. The kitten closed its eyes. Look here, I told you first letter should be in capital letter and end of the sentence we have to put the full stop. Full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. You have to put the symbols according to the sentence. Listen here. The kitten closed its eyes. I have given here first letter the T should be in capital and end of the sentence I put here full stop. Then second sentence is Jasmine your closest friend. Here why I put here question mark? Because here they are asking the question, is Jasmine your closest friend? So we have to put question mark. Then the sentence start with capital letter. I told you, look here, I is a capital letter. In third sentence, what a grand painting it is. What a grand painting it is. So here also first letter W is a capital letter and end of the sentence I put here exclamation mark. You have to put the symbols according to the sentences. If it is questions means you have to put question symbol. Then if it is statement means you have to put full stop, or if it is exclamation means you have to put exclamation marks. Then when we speak to someone, we speak in complete sentences, isn't it? When we speak to someone, we speak in complete sentences. Even while writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and end with a full stop. You know very well, first letter always begin with capital letter. Even I told you many times, the first letter should be in capital letter and end with full stop according to the sentence. Now, types of sentences. Here I have given you two type of sentences. There are first one statements, second one questions. See, statements. When a sentence tells us something, it's called a statement. A statement always end with a full stop. If you are seeing any one sentence, if the sentence end with a full stop, that is called statement. If the word end with a full stop, that is called statement. Then next one, questions. When a sentence asks something, it's called a question. When a sentence asks something, it's called a question. For example, where are you going and what's your name, what are you doing? So these kind of questions are questions. Then next, you know very well, every complete sentence contain two parts, that is subject and predicate. Already I taught you subject and predicate, so you know very well. Once again I'll teach you what is the meaning of subject and predicate. The subject is what or whom. Sentence is about while the predicate tells something about the subject. Listen here. Subject means the thing about which we are speaking. The things about which we are speaking, and predicate means what we speak about the subject. Subject means the thing about which we are speaking, and predicate means what we are speaking about the subject. Look here, I have given you example. Look at the picture. The carpenter makes a chair. The carpenter makes a chair. So here the carpenter is a subject and makes a chair is a predicate. The carpenter is a subject and makes a chair is a predicate. So the carpenter is a subject and the rest all predicate. Look here. Raj plays chess. Raj plays chess. Here Raj is a subject and remaining all predicates. The next sentence, the plumber is repairing the pipe. The plumber is repairing the pipe. So here the plumber is the subject and is repairing the pipe is predicate. Then third sentence, somebody is knocking at the door. Somebody is knocking at the door. So here which one is subject? Somebody, exactly. Somebody is a subject, is knocking at the door is predicate. Somebody is a subject and is knocking at the door is predicate. So you know very well about subject and predicate. Even last session you have done it. So next one, I have given you some homework. Divide the following sentences into two parts. So subject and predicate. First one, Vasco da Gama reached India in 1489. Second sentence, what a beautiful girl. Third sentence, Australia's years rock is sacred to the local people. Fourth one, all roads lead to Rome. Fifth one, the early bird catches the worm. Sixth one, Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa is the most expensive painting in the world. Seventh one, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Eighth one, Amir Khan's Lakan was nominated for the Oscar Awards. Ninth one, the Wright brothers flyer was the world's first plane. 10th one, sit down. So you have to write it in your copy, and when you all come to the school you have to submit the copy. I'll check your copies. So once again I'll repeat it. You have to divide the sentences into two parts like subject and predicate. Write it in your grammar copy. When you all come to the school, I'll check your copies. Thank you.